Okay, guys, so it's time to clean Angie's room.
It's a mess.
It's more than a mess.
I made a mess just now, okay?
No, she wants you to think that just now.
I did.
But the way...
I don't know where to look at. Oh, right there. Okay.
You know how kids clean, right? I mean, she does clean her room. She does. I got to give it to her. She does clean. But let me show you how kids clean. Hold on. Okay, so here's this. See, she'll clean. She'll clean, but
No one wants to see my cockies.
no one wants to see your cockies.
Oh yeah, I got a whole bag.
Yeah, I call them cockies.
Yeah, because she hates them.
So here's all this and all this, and then like she just piles her bags up on here. She got 2 book bags. She got her bike up in here.
Your guys' fault you made me.
Here's all this on the floor. I don't know why. I don't know why this suitcase is out.
Because it was right here.
Oh, okay. Well, we gotta put that away. All right, this is not her fault. That needs to go away. But I don't know why she got this in here.
That's my toy thing.
And are those dirty clothes?
Yes.
Well, okay. And so then here's her drawers, which I fold them.
No, she doesn't.
I fold them when I give them to you.
No, you don't.
So I fold the clothes when I give them to her. I do not give them to her in a big pile. I fold them and I bring them to her to put them away. She does not put them away right away. So when she does put them away, she puts them away in bunches. So that's kind of what it looks like. So we need some motivation, and
I don't have any right now. I need to change my whole bed too.
No, she doesn't need to change her bed. Her
Yes,
bed
I
is fine.
do.
But so that's why we came to you. I turn to you when I need motivation. All right, so I'm just going to put you down somewhere, and you are going to see the dang thing happening and unfolding, and hopefully this doesn't take all night
You should fill my drawers.
long. What?
You should fill my drawers.
I should fold your drawers. Don't think so. I folded them, and I put them in piles and everything.
She didn't.
Don't listen to her.
She put my clothes in this big pile on my thing.
Yeah, I put it in a bin, folded in a bin, and she just digs through them. Okay, over and out. Let's get to the cleaning. We'll talk later. Okay? No. Stop, let's go. I'm not playing.
I did not say anything.
Alright, come on, because I'm not in here doing it by myself.
Mom.
You need to do something besides eating those Takis.
You mean cockies?
Yeah, you need to do something.
Oh, that kid is drying.
Hey, you're little... Look at this, guys. This is how your child cleans. Yeah, we all know that. We all know that. Her room is a mess. Thank God there's no food, though. Because then we wouldn't have bugs. Oh, my God. Go get me the broom. Go get me the broom. It's going to be a long night. The boss is big. Woo! You guys didn't see it. I was in the way.
Come never ever look in the closet.
We have to get to that another day.
A different day because you can like imagine it. And I'm so tired and I just want to fly my airplane.
Yeah, we're so tired. We are so tired.
You even took a nap.
They saw what you did. I did not take a nap.
She did take a nap.
No, I didn't.
Really?
Nope.
Yes, she did.
I tried to do that. More junk. What happened to this? You bit it? Pieces just fell off, guys. It just fell off. Gotta love the stories, right? Stories. As if we don't know. Oh, you did something. Cut it. You cut it. That's what you did. Did you? Did you cut it? You could tell me. I won't get mad. I won't get mad. You gotta tell me the truth and I won't get mad. That really looks like a cut to me. Let me dig into my psychic abilities. My psychic abilities is telling me that you cut it. And you pulled these ears off too.
I did! They were breaking, so I pulled them off.
But you just told me you didn't pull them off.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Oh.
You said I didn't. They were breaking, so I pulled them off. How's that make sense? What about this lonely shoe that has no home?
Yes, it does.
No, but there's no other shoe.
Yes, there is.
It is fitting. No, oh, you mean, no, you're gonna break it. You're gonna pull it off the wall. It's not gonna, you're gonna break it. Leave it. Leave it, because it's not gonna close. Leave it. Do you hear my words? Oh my God, guys. I'm taking a break. I'm almost done with her room with her. She keeps everything. But it's almost done. I just have to vacuum, and there is some other things that need to be done, but it's 9 o'clock at night. I mean, we've been doing it for like 2 hours. I'm done. So let the vacuum, and then I will show you the finished product until next week or something. That's just like the way she cleans. She just like, she'll put stuff in stuff and like say, oh, it's clean. And you see things all inside everything. But, you know, she's only 8, so she's learning. Why? Look at all the tape that's on your wall. Do you really need to do that? What happened to the sticky thing that was on it? What the? That's not how that looked. Oh my God. Help me. Help. on, guys. So just when we thought the job was done, she found stuff under her dresser. Yeah, I saw it underneath there. She's mad at me. Bye. Guys, this is what I do to unclog my thing. I take it off and I get a broom and then I go like this. And whatever's in there comes out. And there's nothing else in there. So
Can't really show you guys.
well, yes,
Kinda
I
gross.
can't show you the stuff that came out because it already came out.
Yep.
Oh, all right, guys. So
It's officially 9 o'clock.
it's officially 9:30, and we've been going for 2.5 hours. We started at 7,
I'm going to get some water.
and yeah, this is. I got dust all up in my nostrils and stuff, but I want to say goodbye. Farewell. Happy cleaning to you. Next time you have to get down and dirty and really get to the nitty gritty of cleaning your kids' stuff. I hope you have a great time like we did. It was
Come in
awesome.
my room.
I think the most awesome part was the horse,
Official.
the unicorn that I rode. Yeah. All right, so with that being said, I will catch you on the flip side.
I'm going to show my room.
I'm going to show you the room now.